Question 3 of this exercise says, if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED under the correspondence ABC corresponding to FED, write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangles. So here's a figure of an arbitrary triangle ABC that I've drawn. Now consider another triangle which is congruent to this triangle like this, and our correspondence relation is ABC is congruent to FED, and the correspondence is A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to D. So in this second triangle that I have drawn, this vertex here, this will be F because it corresponds to this vertex A. Then this vertex here, it will be the vertex E because it corresponds to this vertex here. And then this third vertex will be the vertex D, which corresponds to C in triangle ABC. So these are the two congruent triangles, and now it's easy to write the corresponding congruent parts. So let's first write the corresponding sides. So AB will correspond to FE. So we write AB corresponds to FE. Then BC will correspond to ED. So we write BC corresponds to ED, and then AC will correspond to FD. Okay, so AC corresponds to FD. So this is the correspondence for the sides. Now let's come to the angles. So angle A here will correspond to angle F in the second triangle. So we write angle A corresponds to angle F. Then angle B corresponds to angle E in the second triangle. So we write angle B corresponds to angle E. And then finally angle C in the first triangle, it corresponds to angle D in the second triangle. So angle C corresponds to angle D. So this is the relationship between the various parts of the two triangles. These are the correspondence relationships between the sides and the angles. So with this, we have completed question number 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.